Hey, listen up, all you in-laws, daughters-in-law, and the mighty mother-in-law brigade. Open your ears wide. A mother-in-law arrived at her son's house, and within just 3 days, the household budget doubled. Fridge empty, AC running full blast, kids eating pizza every day, electricity bill through the roof. The daughter-in-law screamed, "Ami, what are you doing?" The saas coolly replied, "Beta, I'm a guest here. And guests have rights." By day. But then the third wife, Nida, played a masterstroke. She introduced the Gardarika challenge. Whoever can have the most fun while staying within the budget wins. The sass laughed at first, then cried, and within 7 days she was making the shopping list herself and said, "Bahu, you're my Ustad guru now." Yesterday, Sana ended her husband's anger. Today, Nida is showing how you tame a mother-in-law, not with lectures, but with a challenge. 7 days, 7 wives. Episode 3. The explosion starts now. Friends, this is a story straight from the lanes of Lahore, where there's a small 3-bedroom upper portion. Living here is Nida, age 29, married for 7 years. Husband Bilal works as an accountant in a private company. Salary 85,000 rupees a month, but expenses are so high that by the end of every month, there's nothing but tension. 2 kids. Elder son Usman, 9 years old, studying in school, and little daughter Amina, 5 years old, in nursery. The household budget was already tight. Groceries 20k, school fees 15,000, electricity and gas 10k, miscellaneous expenses 20k, and savings only 5 to 7,000 if luck is on our side. But one day everything changed. When the mother-in-law, Ami G, arrived from the airport for a short little 15-day visit. From the very first day, the household budget started doubling. Pizza, cold drinks, AC on full blast, new toys. And Nida kept thinking, this is pure destruction. Then Nida made a plan. A plan that not only saved the budget, but brought tears to her mother-in-law's eyes and turned the house into paradise. Come, let's start this story. Line by line, detail by detail. Chapter 1. The mother-in-law arrives. The first shock, word count, approx 1210 o'clock in the morning. Lahore Airport. Nida and Bilal stood waiting, bouquet in hand. Bilal said to Nida, "Listen, Ami is coming today, just for 15 days. Take a little care. She comes with a lot of love, but her hand is never tight when it comes to spending." Nida smiled and replied, "Bilal, don't worry. I'll handle everything. I'll treat Ami so well that she'll be overjoyed." The flight landed. Ami G stepped out. 58 years old, face glowing, 2 huge suitcases, shopping bags in both hands. Nida rushed forward and hugged her. "Ami G, welcome. It's been so long." Ami G kissed Nida's cheeks and said, "Betty, now that I'm here, the house will light up with joy. Bilal Beto, start the car. Let's go home." The moment they reached home, Ami G opened her suitcases. Out came 5 kilos of fresh mutton, 3 kilos of pure desi ghee, 10 packets of biscuits, chocolates, and a pile of toys for the kids. Usman and Amina went crazy with happiness. "Dottie, all this is for us." Ami G laughed. "Of course, Beta, when Dottie comes, she brings gifts. Now come on, today we're making mutton biryani for lunch." Nida went to the kitchen to start the biryani, but Ami G stopped her. "Arabahu, don't use that old masala. I'll teach you my special recipe." And just like that, she opened her phone and placed an online order. Extra spices, yogurt, fresh salad. Total bill 2,500 rupees. Nida thought to herself, this is just the beginning. In the evening, Ami G told the kids, "Beta, we're having pizza tonight." She opened the app and ordered large pizzas, garlic bread, cold drinks. Bill 4,500 rupees. When Bilal saw the bill, his face twisted. He whispered to Nida, "Nida, in 15 days our entire budget will be ruined." Nida calmed him down. "Don't worry, I'll talk to Ami." That night, when everyone was asleep, Nida sat on the bed thinking. She pulled out her diary, the one she uses every month to plan the budget. Previous monthly budget, 70,000 rupees. Extra expenses in just the first 3 days because of Ami's arrival. 9,000 rupees already gone. Nida thought, if this continues, by the end of the month, we'll be in the red. I have to make Ami understand. But not with lectures, she'll get angry. I need a smart, clever way. Next morning, Nida prepared a special breakfast for Ami Ji. Paratha, omelette, and chai. Ami Ji was delighted. "Bahu, you're just too good. Now come, today let's go shopping. New clothes for the kids." Nida said softly, "Ami, shopping is fine, but our budget is really tight right now. You know everything runs on Bilal's salary." Ami Ji waved it off with a flick of her hand. "Ara beta, what kind of life is this if we keep crying budget all the time? I've come to my son's house. A few joys are allowed, aren't they?" And just like that, she booked a cab. Off they went to the mall. Clothes, shoes, toys. Total bill, 12,000 rupees. On the way back home, Nida's heart was sinking. She called Bilal. "Bilal, we have to do something. Ami's happiness is fine, but our house is getting destroyed." Bilal sighed. "Nida, you explain it to her. I'm in office. I'll talk in the evening." The first week of destruction, tension keeps rising. Word count approx 50 by the end of the first week. The state of the house was this. The fridge was getting filled with new stuff every single day. Expensive fruits, juices, premium snacks. The AC ran 24/7. The electricity bill had already jumped 8,000 rupees extra. The kids were happy, but Nida could see Usman wasn't doing his school homework anymore. And Amina was glued to cartoons all day. One evening, Nida finally spoke to Ami Ji. "Ami, you're doing everything with so much love, but our monthly budget is only 70,000 rupees. Ami Ji replied angrily, "Bahu, am I a guest here or have I come to jail? Even your father-in-law used to spend like this, and the house still ran. Why are you people so stingy?" Nida's heart broke. She went to the kitchen and burst into tears. Bilal saw her, came running, and hugged her. "Nida, everything will be fine. We'll make Ami understand." But Ami Ji complained to Bilal Beta, "Your wife keeps lecturing me. I'm only spreading happiness." Bilal was stuck in the middle. "Ami, Nida is right. We're middle class, we have to save for the children's future." That night, Nida didn't sleep. She opened her phone and searched, "How to manage in-law spending." One article said, "Don't lecture elders. Challenge them so they see the value themselves." Nida thought, "This is it. I'll challenge Ami." Next morning, Nida made a plan. While serving breakfast, she went to Ami Ji and said sweetly, "Ami, you have so much experience running a house. Shall we play a little game?" Ami Ji raised an eyebrow. "What kind of game?" Nida smiled. "Gadari ka challenge. You and me, 2 teams, next 7 days. Or gives the family more fun while staying inside the budget wins. Budget per team, 5,000 rupees for the entire 7 days. The loser has to handle the winner's full monthly accounts for 1 whole month." Ami Ji laughed at first. "Rabahu, I've been running a house for 40 years. What challenge can you possibly give me?" "Fine, let's start." The challenge began. Day 1. Ami G spent 2,000 rupees of her 5,000 on a big grocery order. Expensive fruits, nuts, dry fruits. Made special korma for lunch. Fun level? Kids happy, but cost high. Nida used only 800 rupees. Made pasta from whatever was already at home and did story time with funny voices. Fun level. Kids rolling on the floor laughing. Cost low. At night, Billo gave the scores. Ami 8/10. Nida 9/10. Fun almost equal, but Nida spent way less. Day 2. Ami G thought, okay, now I'll get serious. She took the kids to the park in a cab and bought everyone ice cream. Total expense, 1,500 rupees. Nida turned the drawing room into a picnic spot with old bed sheets and blankets. Made homemade sandwiches and lemonade. Total expense, 300 rupees. The kids had even more fun because they felt totally free at home. Ara wa wa wa, my darling viewers. How was today's episode? Nida didn't give her mother-in-law a single lecture. She straight up slammed her challenge on the table. And the sass ended up crying and saying, "Betty, from now on, I'm your official budget manager. Now hurry up and smash that like button with full force, otherwise tomorrow's wife will throw a challenge at you too. Drop a comment right now. Are you brave enough to challenge your sass, or will you get scared and run away? And don't you dare forget to hit that bell icon, because if you miss tomorrow's story, you'll be crying for the entire month. So what's coming tomorrow? Tomorrow, episode 4. The story of wife number 4, Fari. Her 9-year-old son breaks an iPhone. Husband loses it and screams, 1.5 LKH rupees gone down the drain. But in just 15 days, Fari gets an even better phone than the broken one and leaves her husband totally shocked. How? The kid started a YouTube channel called Chot Chef, earned 2 LKH rupees, and mum proudly declared it wasn't a mistake. It was an opportunity. So tomorrow evening, 8 p.m. sharp, be here on time. Funny Fun Urdu Stories presents the 4th massive explosion of 7 dins 7 biwi. Until then, go give your mother-in-law a big hug right now. It's totally free and your budget will magically get fixed. Allah Hafiz, keep spreading love and keep that budget tight.